Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Barbados-based satellite internet service company Neptune Communications has received formal approval from the Office of Utilities Regulation to start operations locally. The license allows Neptune all-island operation. The company first established its Jamaica operations in September last year. Neptune hopes to provide service mainly for government and corporate clients. The company says it has already secured commercial arrangements to ensure full island-wide coverage for Jamaica and the Caribbean. Former Chief Operating Officer at Digicel Jamaica, Brian Bennett Easy, was appointed head of Neptune Communications Jamaica. The Bank of Jamaica is reviewing a draft code of conduct for microcredit institutions. The document was submitted to the Central Bank by the Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC. It will govern how microcredit institutions operate under the Microcredit Act. Chief Executive Officer of the CAC, Dulcie Allen, says the Commission is awaiting feedback and as soon as it is received, further consultations will be held. The Microcredit Act passed in 2021 and will take effect in July. It aims to formulate procedures for the licensing and regulation of microcredit institutions. Oil prices climbed above $121 a barrel today, hitting a two-month high. This as China eased COVID-19 restrictions and traders expecting that the European Union will eventually reach an agreement to ban Russian oil imports. Brent crude futures for July delivery settled up $2.24 to close the session at $121.67 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was up $1.99 to close at $117.06 a barrel. The U.S. currency is selling for an average $154.65. $123.92 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $196.95 for the pound. It's costing an average $168.31 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 4,467 points today, while the junior market index increased by 26 points. Among the winners, cargo handlers, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, CAC 2000 9.5% CR preference shares, T-Tech, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. On the losing side were JMMB Group 5.75% CR preference US dollar shares, JMMB Group 6% US dollar shares, Elite Diagnostic, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, and Everything Fresh. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.